What's good, everybody? It's your boy Mixmaster J, and I'm coming back at you with another unboxing. So, this pair came out January 28th, and I can't believe it's here. It's February 1st right now. It's like, probably like 6 o'clock right now for me. Roughly, yeah. So I'm probably going to try and edit this and get it out by like 7 or 8. I don't know. I'm going to try my hardest to get it out today, though. Yeah, I can't believe I got these so fast, and I really want to get these videos out as soon as possible, so that's why I'm going to try and get it out tonight. If it's not tonight, it'll be early tomorrow morning, for sure. Or y'all never hear this, and I'll just edit it out. So if you're hearing this, it means that I was able to meet one of those deadlines, or I was just too lazy to edit it out, which I highly doubt. So, let's get straight into it. So, as you probably already knew, you can now see the Puma Dreamer box. So yeah, I have another one of the J. Cole Puma collabs, the RS Dreamer. But not any of the original ones. I need to get more of the original ones for sure, but yeah. This is the RS Dreamer 2. Yeah, this is the second kind of his first original. Yeah. This one's a mid top. I want to say his other ones were more of a low top. Later, I'll grab one of those and compare it inside. I could have swore those were a low top. It was a mid top, which means that we could get an RS Dreamer 3, and those could be high tops. And I'm 100% gonna end up copying every single pair of his high tops, because those, I've always loved high tops. Just need to get more. Most of my shoes are mid tops or low top, mainly mid though. So yeah. Let's get straight into it. While I roll this over to the side, go to our usual checking the tag. I got a size 11 here, US. All my 10.5 still fit, but my feet are getting bigger. I can no longer fit any of my 10s, which I've already started phasing out a long time ago, so it never really doesn't really matter. Most of my shoes were 10.5 anyway. But yeah, just so I can make sure I can fit this in the long term. Got this in a size 11. But yeah, like I said, it's the RS Dreamer Mid, aka RS Dreamer 2. As you can see there, it's in yellow, black. Cool. All that good stuff. So now we go back over to the side, and we can wait for that nice lift up of these. I don't know what these are called. I don't really care, but I love them because you have this section in the top right here that these things slide into. So when you go ahead and push them down, it sounds like that, and it sounds so satisfying, like you're actually securing something. I'm never not gonna love that. We have the Dreamer paper with Cole jumping through the clouds. Yeah, so here is the shoe. This is the RS Dreamer 2. So yeah, now as we go around, go to the front, we see there's a lot of different materials and textures up here. Like this is more of a felt type material right here. This is like on every tennis shoe I've ever seen. I've never known the name of this ever. I need to. This is like these two have similar feels like the leather. No, it's not leather, or at least not real leather, but similar feel to that. It's like a suede type feel. I have no idea what this is. No, this is more of that leather stuff. Yeah. This is rubber which is way different than what they had in the last pair. They didn't even have this on there. We got, as we look at the tongue, it's black until you get up here where we have white D's of red outlining. The RS is red Puma. I bet once we get past this stuff in here, there'll be a red Puma in there too, at the very sole of the foot. But yeah, we have some rubber. Yeah, rubber towards the bottom here. This is red now. Similar pattern to what they had in other shoes. Here's a really cool detail I didn't even realize I had until I have it in the hand. I've always been a sucker for something like this. That's why I love almost all the foam posits I've ever seen. Alright, so yeah. And then, oh wow, we have some lacing details up here. That's kind of cool. I was wondering if they're going to keep the laces going around. They continue on with this kind of vibe. They cover this lacing, which is really cool. I'm glad that they started covering up some of it. I love the idea of having laces go all around it, but I'm always afraid that I might end up getting snagged on something. I bet there's 3M reflective right there, especially in here. I know that is for sure. Maybe that D is. In a second, I'll go ahead and record some of this with the flash on so we can go ahead and take a look. This is a really good feel and vibe of the texture right there. That's so cool. Alright. Oh yeah, and then we have the Dreamer logo back here as always. Let's check, make sure there's anything substantial underneath the tongue. Alright. So yeah, there's nothing too substantial underneath there. Let me take this out. Now let's see. I can get the angle just right. There's the red Puma, red Dreamers. Not sure where that sticker is. Let me check. So I can pull that thing off real quick. Alright, got it. Let's see, what does it say? Oh, cool. This is just a readout what is on the shoe. Like the upper is a leather textile, which I said earlier. The lining is textile, makes sense. And the sole, rubber. So that is. Again, this is how it came. Lace it. I got it straight from Foot Locker. And if I can show y'all, there you go. There's the tag. Shows it right there. That's kind of crazy. Man, I never realized. I'm not sure if my other Pumas are like this, but with this one, it starts with UK, then goes Europe, then US, then CM, which I want to say something like China, but I'm not sure. I don't really focus on other shoe sizes other than the US. Because most of the shoes that I've ever had starts with US, then it's like UK or Europe. I continue on that pattern. I'm gonna check the other one when I go check that. Check the difference. But yeah. Got this nice shiny black spot on it. Oh. But yeah, since we've already seen most of this, I'm gonna go pause this video and start recording with the flash on so we can see what is 3M reflective. And there we go. Alright, so now we see what's reflective. Like I said, this is reflective. This is definitely is, makes the most sense. Let's see. This seems not as reflective. No, it's not reflective. So, yeah. Going around this shoe, it has way less reflective detailing than the other one did. I know that for sure. But yeah, that's a better look on the sole And inside, it seems like it's built different. I remember seeing that on my other pairs of the Coles. Good. There's a slightly more detailed look at this greatness. Can't wait to rock you. Even though I barely ever have yellow in my wardrobe, I'm a boss in yellow. Just so I can get some fire fits with this. Alright. Let me just set this right here. And when I'm back, I'll have one of the lows. Alright, I'm back. I got the Court Purple RS Dreamers. This is the low top, as you can tell. Let's slide this back. See, it's way smaller. So yeah, I was right originally when saying that was the mid top and this is the low top. Oof, I gotta clean these. Right after this video, I'm gonna go clean these. I didn't even realize how bad I got these. I thought I already cleaned these. Alright, but yeah, let me go and cut on the flash for this so y'all can see what I mean by the difference. Pretty much everything that's gray on here is 3M reflective, which shows that this thing is way more detailing than that. So yeah, see, it's reflective right here, bam, boom, already up here. I gotta go check. I don't think that one even has this up here anymore. And I really liked seeing this. That was so cool. Having reflective right there. Boom, boom. Oof, I can really see the dirt now. And boom. But with this one, it's there. This little section, which is not on here at all, which is always. Alright, yeah, like I said, there's some right there. And just that line. Rest of the shoe's pretty empty on it. Yep, they both have that piece by the laces that has it, but yeah. Nothing around this lacing detail. But yeah, go straight to the back. Yeah, like I thought. The pull tab doesn't even have a reflective. Like, they really should put the reflective out down there. Hopefully with the next colorway of this, because I highly doubt that Cole's gonna drop the RS Dreamer 2 and not give out like 50 different colorways. I was able to get 3 colorways of this. I'm still trying to get a colorway. I'm still trying to get the Super Mario, either the birthday or the Galaxy one. I don't really care, but I really want to get a pair because those look so cool. Yeah, I got my laces kind of messy right now. Yeah, give y'all back to what this shoe had. Yeah, like I thought. It has black surrounding it, the side of it. That is like a brown. Yep, see. Major difference in the sidewalling. Either way, still love the shoe. We set the Court Purples off to the side. Alright. And while I still have the flash on, let me set you down like right here. Good, you want to follow me. And grab the other one. The other one might have more reflective bits to it. I doubt it though. Let's see. Boom. Nada. Oh man. Yeah. It's not like this shoe is hurt anymore by not having the reflective bits. I still love the way this looks. Oops. I was just hoping that it had more. But yeah, this thing is so great. I'm gonna go out, find a way to mix this into my fits because I need more yellow in my collection because this is too good of a shoe for me not to be rocking it. But yeah. This is how great it came straight from Foot Locker. Got it the first. Finished up this video in the second. My editing should be done in about an hour or so. So yeah. Have fun and check check out this Onfoot.